Hello everyone, how are you all? Myself pharmacist Amit. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Things by Amit. As you already know, SARS-CoV-2 is the coronavirus that found in the Wuhan in December 19, and from then the coronavirus infection continues. It is a contagious infection, so it is spread from person to person, but as it is the virus, it creates a mutation. See, about the coronavirus, it is a RNA virus. It has 30,000 base pairs of amino acids. It places like a bricks, but as it mutates 30,000 base, it should be changed. The sequence should be changes, genomic sequence changes, and that is why it mutation creates. One of the most dangerous mutation, it is a delta mutation. Delta mutation occurs in December 2020 in India. From then, delta variant creates more deaths, infectious people are more. Till now, India has 3 crores of COVID infection. As you see in the bracket, the infections, patients and deaths are also there, and vaccination completed around 25 crores. So it is a good sign. But from, as I say, that from December 2020, Delta variants come from India, and it spread across 74 countries, including UK. So in UK, there is one another mutation. It is called alpha variant. It is called B117 mutation. So it spreads, it studies, it says that around 43 to 90% more transmissible than first SARS-CoV-2 infection. So this is more contagious. But in case of the Delta is around 40 to 60% more contagious, because it is transmissible more from one person to another rather than alpha. So delta is more dangerous, and delta is called as B16172. See how it works, we need to check. Delta variant attaches spike protein of our cell receptor, so it binds and also it ruptures the cell membrane and it enters into the cell, and then how it releases RNA and the infection spread all over the body. So as you see in the screen, it creates such kind of the infection called as lock and key theory. So now we will see some statistics. It's a doubling time of delta variant is 11 times. It means the population infected from delta is doubling within 11 days. And R factor means one person infected in any family. If person is infected, there are chances that other person is also infected. That chances is 1.44 in delta variant. That is why delta is called as variant of concern. It is kind of the dangerous infection. Okay, so this is not the end of the story. Okay, delta variant is again mutated and it again creates some more infectious virus. It called as delta plus. So what is delta plus? Delta plus is a mutation from the delta. See, as I already said, SARS-CoV-2 is first kind of the COVID infection, COVID virus, and then it mutates into the alpha, then it mutates into the delta, and all as it mutates, it becomes more dangerous. In study, it shows that it creates a resistance in cocktail antibody, that is Casirivimab, Medivirab. It is DCGI approved medicine, emergency medicine for COVID, but it creates resistance. That is a delta plus variant create resistance. That is why it's more serious than any other variant. Okay, so in India, the cases rises up to 40. States like Maharashtra, states like Kerala, states like Tamil Nadu, states like Madhya Pradesh, these are the states where it creates its infections. In India, in other countries also, delta plus variant arises. Government test on the basis of genome sequencing that how to treat in such kind of the infection. But about we will check whether vaccine is really effective in such cases. If you complete the 2 doses of your vaccine, up to 90% infection will not be created any disasters in your body. So, and one more thing is double masking needed to prevent such kind of the infection. We can't predict about the third wave, but if it increases, the infection will be increases, then there is patients, number of patients will also be increases, and as I said that this is more severe, so that is why we need to take care of these things, so that our governments also and individual person also should be take proper appropriate action to prevent such kind of the infection, such kind of the mutations. I hope this information will really helpful for you. The content, if looks really good, do like this video, subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to share this video to each and every person. So that's it from this video. Be healthy, be happy. Thank you.